Welcome to the Wilber Longenbaugh podcast, where we break down tax, accounting, and financial strategies to help businesses stay compliant, profitable, and prepared. Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we are unpacking why protecting your financial records is, no longer just a chore for the IT department.
Right, yeah. It is a massive business and compliance risk now.
Exactly. Because when we picture a financial hack, it is almost always this high-tech movie heist, right? Like hackers in hoodies furiously typing code.
Yeah, like breaching a mainframe to steal payroll data. But Wilber and Longenbaugh's latest advisory insights reveal that the reality is, well, much more mundane.
And actually much more dangerous, honestly.
Oh, absolutely. Because hackers are targeting these records since they're just a complete goldmine of credentials and bank details. But they aren't, breaking through firewalls to get them.
Right. They are usually just logging into a compromised email, right?
Yeah.
Or using some weak password.
Exactly. I mean, a single breached inbox often provides this direct, totally frictionless path straight into your most complex accounting systems.
Okay, let's unpack this. Because it is basically like buying a state-of-the-art 10-ton bank vault and then leaving the combination on a neon sticky note right on the front door.
Yeah, that is a great way to look at it.
Yeah.
And to take that sticky note down, you really need multi-factor authentication, or MFA.
Which is basically having two locks instead of one.
Right, exactly.
Yeah.
MFA forces an out-of-band verification. So instead of just needing a password, a hacker has to compromise two entirely separate communication channels at once.
Like your password database and your physical mobile device.
Right. Combine that with a password manager, ensuring every single login is unique, and you finally close that front door.
Okay, well, I am going to push back on that a little bit because a lot of us use cloud accounting software now,
Sure, yeah.
If I am paying a premium for a major cloud provider, aren't they handling all the security for me? Like, why am I the one checking the locks?
That is a super common question. But it comes down to a concept called shared responsibility. The cloud provider secures the infrastructure, right?
And the physical servers.
Exactly, the physical servers and the overarching network. But you are entirely responsible for managing your internal permissions. You have to enforce what we call least privilege access.
Meaning employees should only see what they strictly need to do their jobs.
Precisely. Because if an entry-level clerk's account gets hacked and they have admin-level permissions just because it was, faster to set up well, that vulnerability is on you, not the cloud provider.
Wow, okay, so if we successfully lock down the software and manage our cloud permissions, the technology is effectively a fortress.
Right. Which means hackers have to stop attacking the software and start attacking the users.
Because modern phishing isn't an email riddled with typos from a mysterious prince anymore, is it?
No, not at all. It could be a perfectly forged invoice from a vendor you actually use, simply saying, hey, we updated our bank routing numbers.
And if an employee updates that payment information without independently verifying it, the business just wires money directly to a fraudster.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And the software worked perfectly in that scenario. It did exactly what the user told it to do.
So strong internal controls are often just about hitting the brakes.
Yeah, slowing down a transaction to call that vendor on a trusted, known phone number to verify the routing info. It is a 5-minute step that can literally save thousands of dollars.
But even with perfect verification protocols, mistakes do happen, right? The ultimate failsafe is supposed to be your backups.
Supposed to be, yeah. But if you never actually test a full data recovery, it is like having a fire drill where nobody checks if the emergency exits are unlocked.
Right. You want to find out a backup file is corrupted during a controlled Tuesday afternoon test, not during a catastrophic ransomware incident.
Absolutely. And beyond the tech, a massive vulnerability is just human panic.
Oh, for sure. If an employee accidentally clicks a bad link, their first instinct is probably to unplug their computer and just hide it from their boss.
Which is exactly where company culture becomes a literal security protocol. If someone stays quiet out of fear of getting fired, the threat just has time to spread through the network.
So a blame-free reporting culture is essential.
Right, because the faster a compromise is brought to light, the faster it can be contained.
Okay, so what does this all mean for you listening? Let's distill Wilber and Longenbaugh's insights into 3 core takeaways. Number 1, protect your access with MFA and unique passwords.
And number 2, control that access through strict least privilege user permissions.
Right. And number 3, maintain tested backups and simple phone verification procedures for any money moving out the door.
because protecting financial records is such a crucial part of responsible financial management.
Exactly. And if you are looking for guidance on managing these financial risks, Wilber and Longenbaugh offers tax, accounting, and advisory services to help businesses get this right. You can learn more at mwwcpa.com.
Well, I want to leave you with a final thought to ponder today. If your most cautious, trustworthy employee accidentally clicked a highly sophisticated malicious link this afternoon, how long would it actually take for your current systems or your company culture to bring it to light?
It is a sobering thought, for sure. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive, and we encourage you to take proactive steps to protect your businesses. We will catch you next time.